Hello? I would like to take some time to explain more about Spring Student Parking Permit Priority Renewal here on the University of Houston campus. Priority renewal for fall semester student parking permits will begin on Wednesday, November 5th at 10 a.m. and ends on Wednesday, November 12th at 10 p.m. Here's everything you need to know. If you have a fall parking permit and want to keep the same one for the spring semester, simply renew it during the priority renewal period. For example, you have a Zone A permit in the fall, you can select to keep your Zone A permit for the spring. Important note, you have the entire week to renew your permit. There's no need to log in and renew as soon as the renewal period opens. If you don't have a fall parking permit, you will have to wait until November 17th when general parking registration opens. If you want a different permit, for instance, you have a Zone A permit in the fall, and you want to switch to Zone C permit for the spring, you cannot renew during the priority renewal period. You also must wait until Monday, November 17th at 10 a.m. when general parking registration opens. The following student parking permits cannot be renewed during the priority renewal period. Evening weekend. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Tuesday, Thursday garage permits. Apartment permits, Cullen Oaks, Cambridge Oaks, Bayou Oaks, UH at Sugarland. Motorcycle permits, ADA permits, and disabled veterans permits. These cannot be renewed during the priority renewal period because these permits have specific eligibility requirements. How to renew your permit during priority renewal. Log in to Access UH using your CougarNet credentials after the renewal period opens. Click on the My Parking Account icon. You will be directed to your dashboard, and on this main screen, you will see, under Attention, a message about your permit being eligible for renewal. Click on Details. Then select Renew Permit at the bottom of the page. Select I agree with the terms of service. Next, review the renewal information, and if everything looks right, select Renew Permit Now. Now, check the box next to your permit in the shopping cart. Enter your UH email address and then click Checkout. Your priority renewal is now completed. A copy of the receipt will be sent to your email. If you're seeking a different permit for the fall semester, register for that permit when general parking registration opens, which will be on Monday, November 17th at 10 a.m. For any questions, please give us a call or email us at parking@uh.edu. Thanks for watching.